Welcome to SL AgriTips. Today, we'll explore one of the most captivating and exotic plants, the Adenium, also known as the Desert Rose. Its striking blooms and unique caudex make it a favorite among plant enthusiasts worldwide. In this video, we'll walk you through the ultimate guide to Adenium propagation, from seeds to cuttings to grafting. Stick around to learn how you can grow a stunning collection of these beautiful plants. The power of seeds, starting from scratch. Let's start with the basics, growing adeniums from seeds. First, choose high-quality seeds from a trusted supplier to ensure successful germination. Use a loose, sandy substrate and place the seeds about ½ inch deep. Maintain consistent humidity by covering the tray with plastic wrap or placing it in a propagator. And remember, warmth is key. A temperature of 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius, will boost germination rates. Soak seeds in lukewarm water for a few hours before sowing to speed up germination. The art of cuttings, a clonal approach. Next, let's talk about propagating adeniums using cuttings. Choose a healthy branch from a mature plant and make a clean cut with sterilized pruning shears. Apply rooting hormone to encourage faster root growth and plant it in a well-draining medium. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy and provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid over-watering cuttings to prevent rot. Good drainage is crucial. Grafting for diverse beauty. Now for the art of grafting, the ultimate way to create unique adenium varieties. Here's how to do it. Carefully cut the scion into a wedge shape and make a matching slit in the rootstock. Insert the scion, secure it tightly with grafting tape, and keep the plant in a warm, shaded spot until the graft heals. Always choose healthy, compatible scions and rootstocks for the best results. Nurturing your new adenium babies. Your newly propagated adeniums need special care to thrive. Provide bright, indirect sunlight, water sparingly, and use a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. Keep an eye out for pests and root rot, common issues for adeniums, and act quickly if you spot any problems. Now you're ready to grow your own stunning adenium collection. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SL AgriTips for more plant care tips. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite propagation method. We'd love to hear from you.